In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards in Trello the right way. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or brushing up your workflow, I'm going to show you two reliable methods to move cards exactly where you need them without losing any details. Before we begin, a quick refresher. Trello organizes work into boards, which contain lists, and inside those lists are cards. Moving cards is how you update priorities, hand off work, or keep projects flowing smoothly. First up is the simplest method, drag and drop. On your board, click and hold the card you want to move. While holding, drag it up or down to reorder it within the same list. You'll see a subtle highlight showing where it will land. If you need to move it to a different stage or category, drag it left or right into another list and release. This is perfect for quick adjustments, daily stand-ups, or when you're visually organizing tasks. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can immediately drag it again to correct the placement. When you need more precision, or you're moving a card to an entirely different board, use the Card Actions menu. Click a card to open its details. In the top right, select the Actions menu, the three dots. If you prefer shortcuts, hover over the card on the board and press the letter E to open Quick Actions. Choose Move. You'll see options to pick a destination board, select a specific list on that board, and set the exact position, top or bottom. Confirm by clicking Move. This approach preserves everything about the card: its title, description, comments, checklists, due dates, and attachments. It's especially helpful when you're organizing work across teams or archiving completed tasks on a separate board. Just keep in mind that boards may have different labels or custom fields, so give things a quick look after moving to ensure everything aligns as you expect. Use drag and drop for speed and visual sorting, and lean on the move action when you need accuracy, cross-board transfers, or a guaranteed spot at the top or bottom of a list. With these two tools, you'll keep your workflow clean, consistent, and easy to track. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.